This video demonstrates how to calibrate for ORP on your SP-600 handheld multimeter. Press the OK button to power on the unit. Then press the OK button again to select the Calibration and System Settings menu. Press the right arrow button to select Calibrate and navigate to ORP. Press the OK button to select ORP. Use the left and right arrow buttons to set the unit to the desired strength of your ORP calibration standard. We recommend calibrating ORP on the SP-600 using a standard with Zobel's solution, like Pyxis ORP 200 mV calibration standard, available at pyxis-lab.com/shop. Remember to triple rinse the sample well. Then, fill the module with 200 mV calibration standard and press the OK button to select Calibrate. A calibration success message will appear, and your SP-600 is now calibrated for ORP.